Where's baby belly button? Where's baby belly button? Where baby eyes? Under her hat. Where's baby mouth?
Baby's mouth.
Behind the cup.
Can you point to the mouth? Yeah, show it to Amila. Yay! Good job. Thank you.
I'm read and show you.
Yes, please.
Where baby belly button? Under her shirt.
Could you turn the book to her, please? Yeah. Thank you. Really quick. Alice is
Where's baby? Where are baby feet?
Baby's
Baby's feet. Behind the cat.
Can you show us the feet, please? Where are the feet? Amila, look. These are
2 feet.
2 feet. Good.
Where are baby hands?
Look. Baby's
Hands. Under her bubbles.
under the
Hands.
bubbles. Yeah.
2 hands.
What can you do with your hands?
Cat.
What else?
Eat.
Eat your hands?
No. Eat the food.
Eat the food with your hands.
And play
Sure.
with the blocks.
With blocks? Okay. Can you wash something with your hands? What can you wash?
Under her bubbles.
Under the bubbles.
Under her bubbles.
Look. Under the bubbles. The. Okay.
Where's baby?
Where is baby? Mila, look. There he is.
There he is.
Let's say
Yeah.
peekaboo. Let's play with the baby. Can you open him again? Mila, look. Where is the baby? Let's show us. Where is the baby? Where is the baby? Is it under the blanket? Yay! There he is. Peekaboo. Good job. Thank you.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye.